Good evening, everyone. Due to coronavirus, we have to stay at home. So it is our duty to continue our study as well as possible. So we are going to start English grammar of class 2. Okay. At the first chapter, we can see the naming words. Before starting this chapter, we have to learn what is naming words and how does the word naming words derived. Before starting this chapter, we have to know about the parts of speech. I think in the previous class you learned what is parts of speech, but it is my duty to remind this one time. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Please note it down. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Naming words means nouns. Okay. Nouns or naming words, the same thing. Let us make it easy. Naming words means you can see everything. Everything means man-made thing. Okay, man-made thing or living thing, everything. Whatever you can find surrounding of yours, all are naming words or nouns. Now, the fact is that only its name. For example, Ram, Rohim, Shamol are all naming words. Yes, these are naming words. Beside that, all things like man-made things, natural things like chair, table, TV, fan, sun, moon, everything are naming words. Now, in your book, in grammar book, here is given a picture. You can see the picture. Okay. You can open page number 7. You can see the picture. Naming words. Now here is a column. In every column there is written person, things, animal and bird. You can open page number 7. Here is written, write the naming words you see in the above picture. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to select all the naming words. Here the things like doll, books, chair, table, bags, everything you can find here. Beside that, here are some boys and girls, animals also. You have to find out the names. For example, person. In person, I can write the name, the boy. Girl, the 2 girls. You can write girl. Okay. Dog. Person, girl, boy. Boy and girl, 2. Two girls and 1 boy. Things, ball, chair, table, doll, bag, many things are here. Animal, dog, cat, parrot, sparrow, 4 names. You have got it. Bird also is separately. Bird is also there. Animal, dog and cats 2, and bird, sparrow and parrot 2. That means this page is completed. So you have to find the name. You have to find or select the name from this picture. There is nothing difficult in it. I think if you follow my video, you can get advantage from this. Otherwise, you can take help from your parents also, who is seeing the video. Okay. Next chapter, next page. Turn the page 8. Here is written, the words you have written in this table are all naming words. Is written here. Again, these things is coming. The word that is used to name a person, place, animal or thing is called a naming word. Anything that refers any kind of name is called naming words or nouns. In your book, it is naming words, so you can use it naming words as well. Examples are given here. Persons, aunt, sister, niece, postman, doctor, places, school, house, park, bathroom, forest, animals and birds, squirrels, sparrow, dog, cat, giraffe, etc. Things, shampoo, flower, table, mango, camera, vase, etc. I am giving a short task to you. You can find person names in your family, in your relatives' house. You can take the places names. Not only the given is here, but also you can take surroundings of you. Animals and birds names you can also find from the nature. Things you can also take in which is stay at your home, like chair, table, everything you can get. Now some workout is given here in this exercise. Look at the page number 8. Workout. Workout A and B. Now underline the naming words in these paragraphs. So here this paragraph is given and you have to underline all the naming words. It may be any person, it may be any place, animals or things. Okay, I am reading this paragraph at first, then I will help you to solve the problem. Urmila lives in Mumbai. She is a beautiful woman with thick black hair. She wears a long skirt and black slippers. I think it is easy to hear my words. I am not going so fast. I am trying to speak as slow as possible. She likes to play violin. Again I am repeating the words. Urmila lives in Mumbai. She is beautiful woman with thick black hair. She wears a long skirt and black slippers. She likes to play violin. Let us solve this problem first. 1. Look at. Here is Urmila. You can open your book. I think you have not got the book or grammar book. Okay. You can note it down in your copy. Urmila lives in Mumbai. Here Urmila is naming words. Mumbai is naming words. Okay. In this sentence, 2 naming words. Urmila and Mumbai. Next sentence. She is a beautiful woman. Woman is a naming word. With thick black hair. Hair is a naming word. She wears a long skirt and black slippers. Skirt is naming word. And slippers are naming words. She likes to play violin. Violin also is naming word. Okay, I think it will help you. The next paragraph 2. Toto the little bear lives in a forest. He often climbs trees to eat honey. Many tourists come to see him and click his pictures. He poses for the little boys and girls. Here the naming words are Toto, note it down, bear, note it down, forest, trees, honey, tourists, pictures, boys and girls. If you understand it clearly, I think it will not possible for you to solve the problem. You have nothing to do but underline. It is very simple. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with naming words from the box. Here a hell box is given to you and you have to select the words and you have to fill the blanks. It is also very easy task. At first, Samira is a young dash. Note it down. Samira is a young girl. Write the answer first. Okay. Let me take out an dash from my pencil. Let me take out an eraser from my pencil box. We must keep quiet in the dash. We must keep quiet in the library. Very good. Most kids love dash. Most kids love chocolates. There were many dash in the pond. There were many ducks in the pond. The little girl bought 2 red dash from the balloon seller. The little girl bought 2 red balloons from the balloon seller. The answers are number 1, girl, number 2, eraser, number 3, library, number 4, chocolates, number 5, ducks, number 6, balloons.